Alright, look at my car. Getting it back. Alright, so this another EV9 with I think this is this probably looks like a wind, I believe. Maybe it might be the same. I don't know. But my car is done, so let's go here. And the charge port inlet, what they replaced the entire one. That looks brand new. As you can see, it looks nice and clean. I just need to wipe clean this area right here, so the inlet looks good. Man, I'm gonna tell you what it cost. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, KwhOnlyEv. This is Benga EV. So right now this is what happened over the weekend. I was charging my vehicle and this is what happened. Yes, the inlet on the DC fast charger inlet. So I'm taking it to the dealership. Kia already already contacted the HQ and told me to bring it in, that it's going to be a warranty issue. So I already taken care of that. So right now I'm about to go to the dealership to resolve that. So yeah, I'm glad that they're gonna replace it because I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you at the dealership, and I'll probably ask the dealership how much this cost. All right, see you at the dealership, and I'll be right back. All right, so right now they already took care of the vehicle, taking the vehicle in, and waiting for the Uber to come pick me up. So hopefully they get the parts soon once they inspect it and get to care about it. So I had to go home and do some video editing, so and get some rest as well. So all right, I'll be back with any other update, what they find on the parts, how much it costs. I'll find out about that so that you guys will know when you have that situation. I mean, just for you to know. But all right, thank you, and I'll be right back. All right, look at my car, getting it back. All right, so this another EV9 with I think this is this probably looks like a wind, I believe. Maybe it might be the same. I don't know. But my car is done, so let's go here. And the charge port inlet, what they replaced the entire one. That looks brand new. As you can see, it looks nice and clean. I just need to wipe clean this area right here, so the inlet looks good. Man, I'm gonna tell you what it cost to replace the parts on its own. So this looks like a wind or light, either one, but I like the color, it looks nice. So let's go to, all right, let's see here. The only thing, man, I don't like the fact that it doesn't have memory seat. Let's see here. All right, welcome back. So right now, this is all the stuff that was done on my 2024 EV9. So they replaced the part for the inlet. They did all that stuff. It is under warranty, so it was zero charge, and they did a campaign which was the ECU update. And I thought I got that before. I did that before, but there's another one, and there's another update, another ECU update, and they did the seat mount bolts that were loose. That was a recall, and they did that as well. So everything is all up to date on this vehicle, except that the technician wants me to do another alignment about 2.5 months ago, so about 6,500 miles ago, because it's almost time for me to redo another. You can see I'm at 21,445 miles. Yeah, it's already 20,000 miles to replace the tires, so I am planning on replacing the 4 tires. because I'm going to be going on another road trip. This is going to be a long road trip this time. So, and I need new tires so that I won't have any issues on the highway. So, and then I will replace that wheel alignment and do the wheel alignment, not replace it, do the wheel alignment when I replace the tire. So this is the information on if I would like to replace the wheel alignment. They did a multi-point inspection. I love this dealership. I like what they do. They are very good when it comes to electric vehicle. They take care of customers. They send you videos. I'm gonna post that video on the update. The technician sent an update video about, you know, on what they did, and everything was good. So I'm gonna post that, as I said. So stay tuned for the final part, which is the price.
Hey there, this is Brandon. I'm the technician working on your vehicle today. So we had you in here for an issue with your charging port. Saw that it was melted and everything. Well, we got that changed out for you, as you can see here. Everything is brand spanking new and in good condition. So we got that fixed for you, and we got your software updates done for your recalls. So everything is looking good on the vehicle. I just want to thank you for coming in today and hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.
All right, so this is the information on the multi-point inspection that was conducted. Everything is all good. It's just the tires. They want the wheel alignment to be done. So I'm gonna do that when I replace all the 4 tires. If they get a good deal on tire, I'll go with them. If not, I'll a reasonable price, the same manufacturer, but reasonable price from other retailers. So now, when it comes to the price for the parts alone, for the combo, the CCS combo, it is $3,000. I have to write it down. This is where I wrote it on. See, this is where I wrote it on. Yes, and $200 for labor. Per pocket, this is what I would have paid. Or no, I will pay that. Electrify America is going to pay that. Yeah, so either way, they have to cough up that money. They don't want to do it. So, but unfortunately, it was under warranty because they didn't want to have to cough it up. So just let you know, if you, before you plug any DC fast charge into your vehicle, please check the nozzle. Okay, check it out, make sure it's not damaged, because that could be between you paying $3,000, about $3,300 to keeping your car not to get fried. Okay, so just letting you know that. All right, it could happen to any DC fast charger. It could be from any DC fast charger. Just let you know. Check it before you plug it in. Okay, check before you plug it. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please drop a comment in the comment section if you've had this issue before. Let me know in the comment section. And I'm about to go. I missed this car a little bit. I have to drive my gas powered Honda, but I'm glad to have my car back. So all right, guys, see you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.